And the rough early lead is taken by Good Humor from the outside and Fair Haven by the rail, moving up in between horses Don Alejandro, San Marino, Kayakino, and Manila's Jam. And heading for the backstretch, it's Fair Heaven in the lead, followed by Don Alejandro in between horses, Good Humor on the farther outside. The lead is taken over now by Don Alejandro, followed by Good Humor on the outside. And Fair Haven, a very close third, and running in fourth by almost 8 lengths is San Marino. And Kay Aquino is by the rail. And nearing the far turn, Don Alejandro by half length, followed by Good Humor on the outside. In second, moving up on the inside, entry number 1, Fair Haven. And Kay Aquino now running in fourth by 7 lengths. San Marino on the outside. And rounding the far turn, Don Alejandro on the outside and Fair Haven moving up by the rail. And Good Humor remains in third and moving up on the farther outside. Fair Haven, followed by Don Alejandro on the outside. Good Humor on the farther outside. The last bend for home. It is still Fair Haven by a length, followed by Don Alejandro and Good Humor on the farther outside. And here comes Kay Aquino moving up on the farther outside in San Marino. Into the home stretch is Fair Haven, followed by Good Humor on the farther outside. It is still Fair Haven, Good Humor, and Kay Aquino on the farther outside. It's Humor in the lead. It's still Good Humor, followed by Kay Aquino on the farther outside. It's Good Humor, and finally, at the payoff line, the horse of Nardin Ball, Good Humor, Kay Aquino, San Marino, and Fair Haven.